Hello, good evening everyone. I'm going to teach in language learning binder. My student name is Saibi Grace Disacado. We're going to teach about the draw the line. Okay, draw a line to match the parents to their babies. Okay, imo anong husay? Adiin ang iyang baby. So you put a line. Okay, you put a line. Okay, very good. And then the next one. Where is the baby? Okay, very good. My student is she is very good. Okay. Number 3. The baby of the what's the name of this? Louder. Pig. Okay, where is the baby? Okay. And this one is giraffe. Okay, where is the baby of the giraffe? Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, that is the answer of my student. Okay, says very good. Okay, very good, Saibi. And then the second one is this one. 5 senses. Okay, 5 senses. Do you know what is this? Is this one? This one. This one. This one. Okay. What is the use of the eyes? At what is the use of the eyes? Para makita din siya. Diyan. You can choose the answer. See, taste, smell, hear, touch. So the indiri ang pareho niyang word. See. Okay, number 1. Oh, di siya laga. Wait na, no? Wait na siya. Wait na, unod di guro ay. Why na unod? Sige lang ah. Okay. Next one.
Can you do this one?
The nose. The nose. Where is the nose? Nose for what is this for nose? Okay, smell. Walang tako sa imong pindel-pinong ko boy. Okay. Okay. Next one is the nose. Next one is ear. What is the use of the ear? For hear. Hear. Okay, where is the hair? Where is the ear? This one. Next one is tongue. What is the use of tongue? Kung kakaon ka ice cream, anong ginagamit? Dila. Okay. This one. Tongue. This is the tongue. Okay, next one is the hands. Okay, very good. So, very good akong estudyante. Okay, this is the answer of my student. Okay. The second one is about parts of the body. Do you know what is the part of the body? What is this? This one. This one. This one. Nose. Okay. You can draw a picture. You can put this picture. Draw a picture. You can put this in this face. You can put this. This is the ear. So, nose. This is the ear. Okay, imo ni sa butangan dalunggan. Butangan mo dalunggan kag mata. Hindi. Iduwi mo dire. Ari o. Dalunggan sa butangan. Iduwi mo ang dalunggan. Yan. Piyak naman. Tapos ang mata, butangan mo siya mata. Okay, butangan mo siya nose. Okay, tapos mouth. Okay. Okay, very good. Very good, oh. My student is very good. He put a picture. He drew a picture. Next one. Maybe this is the last one. The last one. Let's name the parts of the body. Let's name the parts of the body. Okay? So, you can put a word in this box. You can put a word. The eyes. Is this? The nose. So, where is the... You can put this. Eyes. Where is the eyes? Eye. You can put in the box. Eye. Okay. Next one is the nose. Next one is mouth. One mouth. This is hand. Hand. This here is hand. Hand. Okay. Next one is mouth. This one. Ano? What the? Look at it first. Then stomach. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for our study tonight. Thank you, Saibi, our student. Okay, it is the finished work of my student. Thank you very much and God bless.